Hello everyone, happy new year to all my friends out there. Thank you for subscribing to Hair Crown UG, and if you haven't, please do. I want to take you through this so fast. It's a TikTok rock cut hairstyle. This hairstyle topped up 2023, and it came up in the end of 2023. Now it's the one trending, and in 2024 I'm sure a lot of people are going to do this hairstyle because it's really trending and very nice, very easy to handle. And for all hair short hair lovers, try this hairstyle. It's so protective, and if you have broken edges, they will just grow back as long as you do this hairstyle. This is how we do it. These are the braids that we use, and this is the way we organize and prepare them. You use oil, solid oil, to split them into small portions, into small particles or pieces. This is how you must do it for it to have come out very neat and nice, and to reserve the curls. This is how we organize these curls, and after organizing them, as usual, we crochet them on the corners, the inside corners, and this is the best way the inside corners must be done, as you're going to see. And after the inside corners are done like this very well, you crochet our braids. And for this case I used the Gina spring. They bring it out very well. And then this is our corners, and afterwards, after crocheting them, we cut, we trim to the size we want. But most cases, this size that I did in this is more preferably good. So let me leave you to enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, like, and comment. Let me leave you. I wish you a happy new year 2024. See you in my next videos that are coming up. Remember, this year I'm posting a video every day. Please turn on the notification bell to be notified. Let me leave you to enjoy the rest of this video, since I've gone through everything as it's going to be in this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I wish you a glorious happy new year 2024. I'm JK as usual. See you.